Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel at Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. At ito na nga po tayo sa first video natin of 2020, first video of the decade. So this is the Amazfit, joke lang, Amazfit ata pronunciation dito. So this is the Amazfit Bip. I think this is pronounced Amazfit. So this is a gift to me from my ninang. Maraming salamat po. And I thought to myself, why not start off the year or decade with something that I've never owned before. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a smartwatch or a fitness tracker. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Yep, this is my first time owning a smartwatch. At least I checked on the website that this is in fact a smartwatch. So this is the box and pretty simple packaging. So there's actually like a greeting card here attached to the box. You guys can just pause and read that. So we can just remove this for now. And this is their customer service contacts, hotlines, emails. Yeah, so a few things you guys need to know about this. So this has GPS, multi-sport tracking. So I feel like that's just step count. Yeah, it just keeps tracks of the steps you're making. Notifications from your smartphone, I'm assuming. Heart rate sensor. It's lightweight, always on color display, water resistant. So I did see in their website that this is IP68 certified, long-lasting battery life. Yeah, they promise a 45-day battery life. I'm very doubtful about that. So I'm assuming this will last a few days, maybe up to a week at most with regular use. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this, but yeah, let's open it for now. And yeah, a few things written at the back of the box. So the model name is A1608, 200 mAh battery. It comes with the smartwatch itself, a charging dock, user manual, yeah, that IP68 rating. And this has Bluetooth 4.0, which is a bit disappointing. I'm not sure when this was released, but I wish they could have gone for Bluetooth 5.0. But yeah, so this can run on Android 4.4 and above, iOS 9 or above. Okay, Amazfit. I'm amazed. Let's just remove that. And yeah, there it is. And here we have the box, which contains most likely the charging dock and the user manual. Okay, so this is, I think, magnetic, or does this clip on? Okay. Okay, so it's not magnetic, it just clips on. And here we have the instruction manual. I'm not sure if I'm going to read this. Let's set this aside for now. So here we have the green color option. I think this is like a forest green, and I'm assuming this is the heart rate sensor. And for the watch strap, we have a black like rubber. I'm not sure exactly what they call this, but I'm just gonna call it rubber for now. So this is most likely how you interact with the watch. Yeah, I think you can rotate this. Okay, so you can't rotate it. I'm not sure what this does, but I know for a fact that this is a touchscreen. So let's see if this has any juice. Okay, so pairing. Are we in pairing mode? Okay, so we are in pairing mode. Mi Fit. Okay, so it looks like this uses a Xiaomi software. So I'm currently downloading the Mi Fit app, which it instructed me to download. I think I should have read the instructions, but let's see if we can make this work. Okay, so here we have the Mi Fit app installed on my phone. I think it's still not. Okay, so it looks like we need to create an account.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, so ito na nga po tayo. So after you've registered for a Mi Fit account, you can just go ahead and press the plus sign here and then choose watch. So agree, and we have the Amazfit Bip. Yeah. So it's searching right now. Yeah, it's very close to my phone. Okay, so yep. And I think we're paired. Paired successfully, very nice. Okay, so it's updating. Okay, so we can't press anything for now. So it's currently updating the firmware of the smartwatch. Again, it's very close to my phone. Pero yun, kamusta naman mga 2020 nyo so far, guys?
A few minutes later.
My God, ito na po tayo. Napakatagal yung mag-update! So yun, a few things na hindi ko pala nabanggit. So I'm not sure if this front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass or something like that, but it is glass, and the outer shell is made of plastic, which makes sense since this one of the cheaper smartwatches out there. Again, I'm not knowledgeable about smartwatches, so yeah. Okay, so you can swipe, add what is this? Alipay? Is that Alipay? Okay, so we can add Alipay. Yeah, I think that's Alipay to pay with your watch. Okay, so we have a few options here in the Mi Fit app. Okay, a lot of options. Okay, so it seems we can change the watch faces. Well, it's not loading anything as of now. Okay, so it seems we can unlock our phone using the smartwatch. Confirm on watch. Receive phone pairing request. Okay. Okay, so we have status, watch faces, next. Wait. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we can swipe up, swipe down, swipe left. Status of the steps taken, your heart rate, the miles you've walked or traveled, calories burned, and I think this is rest since it's a person sitting on a chair. I'm not sure if you guys can make that out. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Okay, activity, weather, Alipay, alarms. Okay, does this have a speaker? I'm not sure. Okay, settings, watch face, long press button. Okay, so we can find the device if we lost it, or I think that's for your phone. I'm not sure. Okay, we can adjust the brightness, watch face. Okay, so can we? Okay, no. Okay, so we can swipe up or down. Yep, yeah, that's better. Looks like from a G-Shock, so I like that. So yeah, these are the different watch faces. Okay, so I think that's the end of the shit. So I'm just gonna choose this for now. Okay, so a few more options in the app. So we can set reminders, alarms, app alerts, idle alert. Not sure what's that for. Incoming SMS, vibrate when alarm sounds, go notifications, and disconnection reminder. So that's for if we suddenly disconnect from the watch. Okay, so we can like rotate to wake, lift wrist to view info. Okay, so we can decide if you want to turn on heart rate detection. We can set it if we want it to run in the background. Shortcut settings. Wait, what's this? Display settings. Okay, I think so we can change the icon on the smartwatch, or we can rearrange them. Okay, so we can hold the icons and we can rearrange the order of the icons on how we see it here in the smartwatch. So it actually gets fairly bright. So the watch is currently at the 72% right now. Okay, so I'll give you guys an update in another video. I'm going to tinker with this a little bit more. If I find it interesting enough, maybe I'll do like an update video. And I guess leave a comment guys if you do want to see an update on this. Again, I'll be tinkering with this, and yeah, so far it looks really good. Basic, I guess I would say this is as basic as it gets for a smartwatch, also considering the price. So as of now, I'm not sure if I can recommend this, so yeah, hold up for now unless you've watched or read reviews of this, then maybe you can buy it. Of course, I'll be leaving the link to this if you guys want to buy this, and yeah. So leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing and turn on notifications to be updated on my latest videos. And of course, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link if you're buying at Lazada, and donate to my PayPal to support the channel. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for other updates and announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!